Season's greetings from Pennsylvania Trolley Museum. We are grateful to every one of you for the support that you provide all year long. 2025 has been a record-breaking year for us as we welcomed over 50,000 visitors, our most ever. 4,000 of those were students and teachers who attended STEAM educational programs. Earlier this year, we acquired our 54th streetcar, Red Arrow 83, a sister car to our restored Red Arrow 78, one of our popular Santa Trolley cars. It was an exciting day in August when we rolled out the beautifully restored Port Authority Transit 1713, also known as the Terrible Trolley. This restoration was made possible by the tremendous support from our community, and we are delighted that it is back in operation and already a visitor favorite. Restoration continues on Red Arrow 73 and Philadelphia Transportation Company 8042. Our streetcars are restored and maintained by our dedicated paid and volunteer staff, and your support allows this important preservation work to continue. Our museum received national recognition this year with 2 awards from the American Association of State and Local History, as well as a Lodestar Award for Solar Achievement. We are dedicated to sustainability and inclusivity, and I am proud to announce that we were also recertified as a Certified Autism Center in October. Our Roaring 20 streetcar soiree in May was again a sellout, and we look forward to a cool and groovy 2026. Mark your calendar for Trolley at the Disco on May 15th. We were also voted Best Museum by the Observer Reporter, so thank you for your vote. On behalf of the Pennsylvania Trolley Museum, I thank you for your continued support that allows us to interpret the trolley era for generations to come. When making your year-end giving plans, please consider making a gift in any amount. And we thank you for your generosity. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.